Clean some chicken parts for cooking and then put it in a bowl like this. Add the diced onions, mashed garlic, chopped scallion, alright then, scallion on it. Add spring thyme, the scotch bonnet pepper and the salt. Rub the seasonings on the chicken with your hand like this. Cover the bowl good. Allow it to marinate for 3 hours room temperature in the refrigerator overnight. Preheat an oven 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Put the rack on the bottom row. Put the seasoned chicken right side down on a baking tray about 1/4 inch apart. Allow it to bake for 45 minutes. After that, turn up the oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Flip the chicken on the other side and then brush barbecue sauce on both sides. Allow it to bake for 10 minutes more and then it's finished. Eat baked chicken for dinner or lunch. For the details, get the cookbook, Jamaican Food Recipes. It's a big 8x10 book with 511 pages that you can lay out on a table for easy reading.